In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to draft engaging Twitter and X threads. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Perplexity homepage and click directly into the main search field to enter my first prompt. I'm asking the AI to draft a 5-post thread about the top benefits of using artificial intelligence for daily productivity, making sure to specify that I want an engaging hook and relevant hashtags for every tweet. Once I click the arrow to generate, the tool quickly processes the request and provides a full draft. The results highlight how AI can automate repetitive tasks to save time, enhance decision-making through fast data analysis, and optimize your personal schedule for better efficiency. It's a great starting point that looks professional and ready to post. Now, I'll move down to the follow-up box at the bottom of the screen to try a more specific topic. This time, I'm typing a prompt for a 6-tweet thread summarizing the most important advancements in renewable energy for 2026. I've requested a conversational tone and clear bullet points to ensure the content is easy for followers to read on mobile. After hitting the send button, Perplexity generates a high-quality summary of the energy landscape. The response details the massive growth in solar and wind power, the plummeting costs of battery storage technology, and the emergence of AI-driven smart grids that help manage global energy demand. By using these simple prompts, I can generate a variety of content styles and topics in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.